This morning, the Supreme Court will hand down the final decisions of its term. There are 6 cases remaining, including a highly anticipated one tied to President Trump's efforts to prevent some babies born in the U.S. from becoming U.S. citizens. Jan Crawford is at the Supreme Court. Jan, good morning. It's a big day. What else are we watching for?
Well, it is a big day. And of course, we have one big case from Maryland that it involves efforts by parents with deeply held religious beliefs to opt their elementary school age children out of story time, out of lessons featuring books that embrace gender identity and other LGBTQ themes. But like you said, the biggest case that we're waiting on, of course, involves President Trump and challenges to his executive order targeting birthright citizenship. Now, this is not a case about the merits of birthright citizenship. Instead, it focuses on the power of federal judges and whether one judge can dictate policy for everyone across the country by entering these sweeping nationwide injunctions. Presidents, I mean, it's a bipartisan issue. Presidents in both parties have long complained about these things going back to President Obama. So even, I must say, even if the court does rule in favor of Trump in this case, which I suspect it will, it doesn't mean that this executive order on birthright citizenship will ever take effect. It would just really scale back these nationwide injunctions so that the rulings only apply to the parties in the specific cases. And of course, challengers could always file class actions and those could apply nationwide. So this is really important legally as a matter of process, but for practical purposes, it doesn't mean that the executive order on birthright citizenship will ever take effect. Adriana.
All right, Jan, thank you so much.